Good afternoon from Grand Valley Farm. This rain's got to stop. This is ridiculous. All the straw I threw down is now buried in the mud. And anyway, had some bad tomatoes here, but the chickens like them, so that's good. I did find one egg over here in the corner that's in the mud, and I'm not walking across there. Not right now. It's hard enough to keep my feet being all muddy, get tracked everywhere. And with this wind, it might dry out pretty quick, maybe. Anyway, that's what's going on today. It's cold, windy. It has been raining. Throw some more straw down. Try to keep them drier. This side of the coop's not bad at all. It's got a shelter that side there. Yeah, it's a swamp. As you can hear the wind whipping. So I better get the door shut from the barn, which is blown open. Yep, blown shut. There's little baby pigs over here getting stepped on or something. Yeah, just beating the crap out of my door. Anyway, it's fall. Wind's blowing, it's raining, leaves are falling, it's making a mess. Can't wait for spring. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day.